Free seeds are in the Kitchen Garden magazine in November. Welcome to Gardening with Ben. We're going to be showing you what free seeds are in this month's magazine. I do love getting Kitchen Garden magazine. It's a great magazine and it always has an abundance of great seeds in it. So let's see what seeds we have got in November's issue. As you can see, it's a blind test. I don't know what's in it, so let's have a look and see together. See if we can plant any this month or if we've got to save them. So first up we have got watermelon sugar baby. Now I grew a few cantaloupe melons this year and they did absolutely fantastic. They say these need to be planted from February to May, so we'll be planting them pretty early next year and getting them started in my polytunnel. See if we can get these growing. These are small round fruits, about 20 centimetre in diameter and average weighing about 4 kilograms. So yeah, a decent size watermelon. So these are good for growing in the UK. So we're going to give them a try next year. Next up we have got turnip golden ball. Now these you sow in late March to June. So yeah, these are pretty early ones and they look a nice delicious size, nice delicious shape. And you usually harvest them between June and October, so it depends obviously when you sow them to when you get in the crops from them. So another one that we are going to be saving for next year. Next up we have got borage. Now I saw somebody's video of somebody having borage on their allotment and the bees absolutely love them. So I'm going to grow some of that next year and see if we can attract more bees to them. The leaves can also be used and have the same cucumber flavour. So they taste a cucumber. Ooh, I've never tried borage. So that's going to be a first for me. Sowing from March to October. So we're too late to sow them this year. But yeah, hopefully we can get some of these sown next year and grown down at the allotment. Next up we have mustard, and you can sow this all year round and you harvest it 4 to 7 days from sowing. So it's a bit like a microgreen, which I was talking about in one of my other videos. So if you've got somewhere nice and warm, like in your house or flat on your windowsill, pop some in and you can be harvesting it in 7 days. A nice, fast, easy crop, which you can add to obviously your sandwiches and to your meals, and a great addition to any meal. So I'm definitely going to try some of them. I can sow some of those now actually. I can get some of those growing now. Next up we have got chives. Again, an all year round on the windowsill, but if you're growing it outdoors, you need to sow them around March to May time and you can harvest them. Has a mild onion flavour for use in variety of dishes. So I haven't got a herb garden down at my plot. I really do need a herb garden. So we're going to give an extra effort next year and try and grow some herbs down here at the allotment. And finally we have got moneymaker. Now you sow these from January to April. Obviously if you're sowing them in January, February, March, you need somewhere warm to get them to germinate. So it'll be on a windowsill or a heated greenhouse. But we're going to be sowing some tomatoes again next year. We did really well with tomatoes this year. They did absolutely fantastic. Moneymaker are one of the best varieties of tomatoes to grow out there. So overall, we have got some decent vegetables to grow next year. Down at the allotment, we've got 6 packs in this month's magazine, a great amount. And obviously, you have your magazine as well, which comes with lots of tips and advice on growing vegetables. So a great price and a great amount of knowledge. I always love Kitchen Garden magazine. It's more down to earth and you can understand it easily. It's great. Allotment, they have real allotmenters in it, sharing tips and advice as well. So it's always a great magazine. So yeah, that is what's in the November's Kitchen Garden magazine this month. Make sure you go and get one if you're wanting it. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.